How to make the time stutter effect. Today's video is sponsored by Every Wannabe McKinnon. Open your clip in the Fusion page. This effect is pretty simple, but I will mumble about myself and pretend that I'm a successful editor, and after 3 hours I will say the typical catchphrase, "Okay guys, without further ado, let's jump into the edit." But first I will throw a generic slideshow template intro. Add a merge node. Bring the empty time stutter effect in empty space. Connect your clip to this effect, and then to the merge as a foreground. For this you have to install the Reactor plugin and activate the empty glitch tool. The first slider is for the duration of the shuffle. The next one is for the duration of the perturb. The third one is for the time you want to keep the effect off, and the next one is the range of the frames you want to shuffle. Change the out value to the amount of your frames, in my case is 190. Play around with the perturb slider also, to find out what works best for you, and activate the shuffle box. Select the merge node, and change the apply mode to screen if you want, or, what I like to do is to keep it on normal mode, go to the settings tab, and uncheck one color channel. If you like this clip, subscribe to this channel. If you didn't, subscribe to another one.